Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today guys, I have a haul. Yes, I have a nice size home from Homegoods, believe it or not. So I went to Homegoods this week, and it was first time I've been there since the pandemic. So I haven't been shopping there. I haven't been there since March. So I wasn't sure what they was going to have, if they're going to have anything, because guys, you know how I feel about Homegoods. I normally can't find anything I want, but I figured, hey, let me go, let me see. And I was amazed. They had everything I wanted. Yes, everything and the color that I wanted. So I'm doing a makeover for my bedroom, and I will show you the tour probably next week when I put everything up. So this year I'm doing sort of like the soft blue, really nice powder blue theme. I didn't want anything peachy or pinky or orangey or anything like that, or coral like this, the colors I normally would do. So I did get quite a few things I want to show you. But before I start, I just wanted to tell you, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mooregirl, and I would love for you to be a subscriber of my channel. I do shop with me's, I do art, I do DIYs, I do a lot of Goodwills, Z Gallery, and a whole bit. So I'm pretty sure you'll like that. You'll be interested in something I like to do. So I'm hoping that you will share this video as well. So again, I said I want to do my bedroom theme. My theme is going to be a nice soft powder blue, something that's really soft and tranquil. No, I'm going to show a few clips when I went to Homegoods of the nice things I got there. And again, I was surprised and I was amazed at the things they had. Before I start, I want to show you another thing. One of my subscribers watched my clear water video, and she was having a problem with her clear water being cloudy, and I wanted to show her, and I told her I would show her in this. And you can see here, even though you have bubbles here, but your clear water should be clear. And I did this about a year ago. So if you're having something cloudy, it must have been something in the batch that you have. So I promised her I would show her my clear water DIY of what I did. And this is really, really pretty. I really love this. But so I am going to show you briefly what I started with. So the first thing I got from Homegoods, I would figure start with the bed. I got a new bed, guys, and I can't wait to show you my bed. I got these really, really pretty, it's like a grayish with a little tint of like a little blue to it. So this is by Cool Comfort, and these were $34.99. And it's the queen size sheet. It is an 800 count settee weave, and it's a 6-piece set. So I can't wait. I can't wait to fill these and touch these and put them on my new bed. So again, this is the color theme of what I'm going for. So again, I'm surprised that I found everything I want. The second thing I got was these beautiful huge pillows. So again, this matched my theme here, and this is by Nicole Miller, and these are huge, and this was $39.99, and the size are 26 by 26. So these are some really, really big pillows that I'm going to put 2 on each side of the bed. And also I'm going to use my Z Gallery pillows from last year for my finishing, for my final touch for my bed. These are humongous, and it has a nice sort of quilted pattern to it. Again, it's gray with this sort of bluish, soft bluish tint, and again, it goes very well with the sheets as well. So you can see exactly, it's sort of in the same exact theme. Okay, the next thing I got here was a rug. So I figure I'm going to put where my night table is, I'm going to put a rug there. So I found this beautiful soft fur white rug, and this rug was $29.99, and this is a 29 by 42 rug. And I'm loving the shape here. It's sort of like an oval shape here at the top, and it shapes down, as you can see, and it's squared at the bottom. Okay, so this is a home accent rug, tapestry decorative, and it's 100% polyester, so this should be easy to wash. I was looking for things that was easy, and it said you can wash in cold water, which I was looking for something that's washable, especially when it's white. Because like one of the rugs I had back there before, you could spot clean it, but you couldn't wash it. Something like this, I really, really, really wanted to put in the washing machine. You know, because sometimes when you walk on it, even though I don't wear shoes in the home, but still sometimes they may get a little dirty. So this is very, very soft, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, soft. And they was just putting these things out. So my whole theme is going to be like blue, gray, and white. My walls are also like a gray as well. Now I was looking for some type of storage. So as I was looking in the office section, I found these boxes, and even though this is great with white flowers on it, so this will go under sort of where my TV is. I still have my IKEA small stand there. I didn't see anything like a TV stand that I wanted yet. So when you open it up, I did get two of them. So this is used. So if I could put any type of storage in here, and also I got the small one as well. Now this one here was only $5.99. Okay, and this one here, this one was $9.99. And look at the pattern of this. This is sort of like a flower, gray and white with nice soft petals on it, like sort of like peonies. Peonies, it looks like more so than roses. They look like peonies. Okay, so I'm really glad I got two of these, and this will look really nice stacked on top of each other, and I think that would be nice, really cute for a nice storage to go in my room. Another thing I did get, I got a blanket. I didn't want a comforter because besides it's 110 degrees in the summer here, so I did end up getting a really nice, gorgeous, look at the pattern on this comforter, and this was $39.99 and looked like it was a return, so she did knock off 10% for me, so it ended up being $36.99. So that wasn't bad. She took off about $3, but you can see how this comfort is quilted. It's not heavy, you know. It's something just to throw in the summertime, you know, because again it is extremely hot here, and I just do not need a heavy comforter, and it's just too hot for it. Even in the wintertime, sometimes the comforters gets too hot and bulky, so I was just looking for more like a blanket. But I really like this pattern here, and it has a nice texture here, as you can see. Okay, another thing I got was a trash can. So I got another can. This is by Vino. This is a step trash can. So I figured I need something small. I had something similar to this I got from Goodwill that was much cheaper. But this was how much? This was like $12.99. This was $12.99. And I just needed this because near my, and I will show you where my makeup desk is in my room. And I just want them something small. I didn't need anything large, something small just to put next to the makeup desk. So if when I'm doing my makeup, I can just, you know, toss it in here and that's it. You know, and of course it comes inside where you just dump this in your trash can as well. You know? So I didn't need anything large for that space because it is a small space over there. One thing I did get that was really pretty was I needed some height, and if you ever see my video and when I show you the tour, I did this jewelry armoire that I got from Goodwill. It was brown, and I did a beautiful job with it. It's blinged out a little bit, and it's sort of like a marble finish, and I resined it. But I needed some height because I have like sort of my Alexa on there, and it's like really small, but I'm looking at it thinking you need something, and since I don't lift the top of it, I needed some height, so I figure I'll get something like this. I thought this was gorgeous, and I figured this was sort of like that same blue, a little darker, and to me this will give it some contrast. I didn't want anything like a ginger jar that was going to be too small. I wanted something like big, huge, and grand, and I thought this with the interweaving and you know with the gloss on it, I thought this was really pretty, so I laid it on top of it, and it was really nice because of my wall is a grayish on one side, my accent wall, even though it's a little purplish tint to it instead of a blue tint. But I figure something like this will give it like another pop contrast, and I will find some feathers to come out of here just to give it some height. I don't want to sit on a tall, you know, like the jewelry stand, so I didn't want anything too tall. So I'll get something from like Homegoods or Pier 1 Airports if they have anything left. I will find like a pampas grass, I think it's called. So I'll find something for this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. This was $39.99. And like I said, it's interweave, and it's really deep. I thought that was nice. And I think, boy, if I had a light in there, it could shine through. But I'm like, no, this is just nice. I didn't want anything too blingy in the room. Now, in my corner where my makeup desk is, I have some bling there. But, you know, that was it. That's all I was looking for. So I didn't want to over bling my bedroom. I want to tone it down a little bit and just keep it with the soft blues and some contrast to it as well. So, again, I think this works well in the room. Okay, so the next thing I got was curtains. So I went to IKEA, So I saw this other YouTuber. She was going through IKEA and they had the curtains over the bed. I'm like, oh my God, you know, it reminded me of that little girl princess room, but I wanted to look a little bit more mature. So I got curtains from IKEA and I got the Linda curtains. And these are, I believe, 96 inches long. So what I'm going to do with this is like a white curtain. I got 3. So if you saw my tour of my studio, I got a pair for the YouTube side and I got a pair for the studio side. So I have all 3 of the same curtains. So what I want to do with this was swag it over the bed. And then I did get the post, and what they did, instead of having a curtain rod go across, they had hooks. So the curtains went out this way and it's swag, and then the tip of the hooks, it had these white, and I think they sort of like a glass. These are really nice. They remind me of like a lamp post that you'll put outside, if you can see that. And these were 10 each, and the curtains were $24.99. These are not room darkeners. I wasn't looking for something like this, but it's a nice texture. And I'm surprised because you get a pair with IKEA, and it was cheaper to get something like this because I was just looking for a basic white than if I was to search in JCPenney's or Homegoods like that. Because normally IKEA will have the long curtains, because the curtains that are in the YouTube room now are also from IKEA, and they're really long to the floor. So that is what I like. So I figured this looked really cute as it drapes over the bed. I thought that would really nice. Other thing I got that I really initially got for the guest bathroom. But the guest bathroom is neutral gender, and when I was looking at it, and I thought it was a nice little tray that I could put over the toilet seat. But because I have something there now, but I haven't used it that I wanted to put the napkins in, I thought this was really cute, shimmery, and blingy. But I thought it's a little too blingy for what I wanted for that room. I wanted to keep it, again, the bathroom, if you go check that video out, the gender neutral bathroom is also gray, white with a little touch of bling and blue. But I didn't want anything this bright and shiny for it. So right here, I'm going to place on my makeup desk. And that way I'll place some of my brushes on top of here, and it looks really cute. And like I said, that corner of my makeup desk is very blingy. So I do have bling in my room. I just didn't want it in my whole entire bedroom. Okay, this is cool. And this again was $7.99, and it has a mirror on the inside. The last thing I got was the rods for the curtains. So these are going to go in the room, so they hang up the white curtains, and these were only $2.99. And then they had the really long ones. They were like $5.99. So I figure I'll come back for that one, and I'm going to switch them out for my living room as well. But the living room, I decided to do the black because I was looking at the living room. I'm thinking, do I want to keep the shimmer? I think the black will pop with the white curtains and the black and bling theme that's in my living room and dining room. So I did get the rods for you. I got 3 of these, so I'm gonna go back and get the long one for the large window. Okay, and again, when you put these rods up and then you put these with it, really cute. And again, these are 10. These was $2.99. The really long ones of these, again, I believe was maybe $5.99. So that's not bad. So that is everything. Oh no, there's one more thing, but my camera is on here. I'm gonna show you the side table I got for it. You know, sometimes when I lay in the bed, you know, sometimes instead of having a tray on the bed, I decide to have a little table. So let me just show you the table right now. Now, so the table I got, I just marbled this side table, and it has the brass going across. I thought this marble was really cute. It kept it a thing, and thank goodness they only have one left. And you see here, it has the cord. So this is the table that plugs in, and you can also put in your USB port or your plugs. And then at night, when I forget sometimes to charge my phone, I can charge my phone on the table as well. This again was really nice. You know, I even had like a tray on it, if I could put like a silver tray, if I wanted it more elegant and dainty. Alright guys, this is everything from my Homegoods haul. So I hope you really enjoyed this little quick little and show you a little bit of the shop with me while I was there. Of course, my battery died on my phone, so I couldn't show you everything, but a few pieces that I wanted to get. So again guys, when I put this up, I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is your Mooregirl again, and don't forget to thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends and your family. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I will see you at the bedroom tour. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl.